The main reason that I participate in EUPATI, it was to find out how could I help my child or even child that we represent in Greece with the upcoming therapies.
It's a little challenging, but in the same way really powerful, and I would say a safe space where you can learn and connect.
I think that it's a lot of challenges here because it's my first time in all this medical community. Because I am a retired naval officer, and it's very impressive all this what happens here and also in Greece.
I just find every single person's story just so inspiring, and the fire in their belly it's just amazing. It's really emotional. It really is.
I think it's inspiring to know that the learning will continue and that you'll be part of a wider network, and that whether it was at breakfast or lunch, I've spoken to a different person at every time, and I wish it was actually days longer, that, you know, just to keep that momentum going. I think that the connections, yeah, it's very inspiring.
And the inclusivity that I saw here in these 2 days, it also goes beyond individual empowerment, because I think it's really building a collective environment, and it's about true connection and also humanity, which is the most important aspect that sometimes is overlooked.
Empowerment. Empowerment is a word that describes this program perfectly, because it empowers us patients and patients' representatives with tools, with knowledge, and that knowledge translates into self-confidence that leads directly to change and improved outcomes, to driving real change.
With my medical writer hat on, what more can I do to make the documents that I produce, which is some regulatory but also communications like publications, patient education leaflets. What more can I do for you?
Capturing that holistic impact of these diseases. You know, the amount of times I've gone to an appointment over my lifetime and just been asked what hurts and where, when really, as a parent, I want people to ask me how it's impacting my ability to do the things I want to do, how it changes with my life journey with the disease, how things that mattered to me when I was 18 are totally different to now I'm 40 with a child.
I really like the term balancing partnership. So you are just giving us the power to balance the partnership between all stakeholders and to raise our voice in decisions.
Grounded, which means that it is a real starting point to concrete act. And so it gives you all the tools to understand really what to do.
I think here it's sort of really brought to light that people have nothing to lose to speak openly about their situation and their disease, and only that way can something be done about it. And you can help, and I can really feel that here with everybody who is speaking openly about their situation, and that is cool, I think.
I think the impact of the program for me was empowering. It's been so empowering to see and to learn from each and everybody that came in, and I didn't think there would be so many people, but oh my gosh, so many different diverse group of people, and we all kind of gelled as if we've known each other. I know we've met online studying, but meeting people in person saying, oh, do you remember me? That was very inspiring for me.
at the same time reinforce my need for fight for a change in this system, to make sure the system is more patient inclusive, that the voice of the patient is represented fairly in every stage of the medical approval process in Europe and abroad.